Kakenhun Menteri haka khatlai tring nailar, kala Mynjur ya kai pot jong ka expert committee, halor ka jingpenrong ya ka paper kerpang syapang ka jela Meghalaya, haka eksam Meghalaya Civil Services MCS, bat kala rai ru banwan ra ya ka Meghalaya Official Languages Bill arta arpun rio haka dor barsen rai ka banwan. U Menteri rangba ka jela Konrad ke sangma, hadin ka jingalang jong ka kinhun Menteri ulaong, baka paper thymmai kan pentikna bagi officer ki barung syaka civil service ki don ka jingtip ka babanya syapang ka jela. Ulaong baka sorkar kelathong ya ka expert committee ban bishari ka jingpenrung ya ki benta ki bayadai bat ka Meghalaya, kentup ya ka history, ka culture, bat ki wei ki jingtip syapang ka jela hak MCS exam. Kandan ke additional paper number 6 ke bakerpang tang syapang ke jela Meghalaya laong usangma. Menteri rangba ulaong bakathong jong ka jingpenrung ya kan ka paper kalong ban pentikina baki MCS officers ki batmai kindan ka jingtip ka babyang syapang ka jela kentup ya ka history ka culture ki rukom trekam baper bat ki benta ki bayadai bat ka yok kan. Kajing temu kalong bagi MCS officers ki deban tibahaya ka jela, kintup ya ka history ka culture ki system baper bat ki benta baper jong ka yok kon ulaong. Ka report lapan kre da ka expert committee ka balayalam daw Professor David R. Imle, u chairman barim jong ka Union Public Service Commission UPSC. Usama ulaong bak cabinet kalapdyang yak report jong ka committee haka jingalang cabinet.
We have put up, or rather we had put up, an expert committee to basically include a chapter on the state, on Meghalaya state and its history, its culture and all the other information in the MCS competitive exam. So there's going to be a paper, an additional paper number 6, which will be specifically on the state of Meghalaya. And the objective being that MCS officers must have knowledge of the state, including its history, its culture, its different systems, and different economic aspects, and so on and so forth. There's a full report on it, which was submitted by the committee, which was headed by Professor David Semle. And we have approved that committee's report today in the cabinet.
Habaya day bat ka Meghalaya Official Languages Bill arta arpunrio, Menteri rangba ulaong baka sorkar mentakan ya ka kerdan ya kasi bat garo. Kumba pitip, kani kalawan haga dur jong ordinance bat menta, namar baka dor bar kelajan, yinwan ra ya ka bill bat ban menjuri ki haka baka kasi bat garo kin long ru ki official languages jong ka jela. Haka juk ka jingalang, ka cabinet kalaya keren ru halor kimat paper ki bade ban kentup haka jing keren jong Menteri rangba haka singi Independence Day.
The Meghalaya Official Languages Bill 2026. As you're aware that this had come in the form of an ordinance, and now since the session is coming, we will be formally taking up the bill and passing the new act, amended act, where Khasi and Garo also will be official languages of the state.